Have you ever wondered about the role your weight plays when you're zipping around in a go-kart? Does being heavier make it harder to maneuver, or does it lend you a speed advantage? If these questions have ever crossed your mind, you're in the right place. Body weight plays a role in go-kart racing, but is not the sole factor determining performance. Professional races often impose restrictions on both kart and body weight to ensure fairness. However, the advantage isn't solely to lighter racers. Regardless of their weight, drivers can strategically use their body weight and their driving skills to their benefit. Mastering weight distribution, understanding the specifics of their kart, electric or gas, and honing racing techniques are key to success in go-karting. Irrespective of the driver's weight, in the world of go-karting, weight does play a role. However, its impact isn't as straightforward as you might think. It's not merely about being lighter or heavier. It's more about how you manage your weight. A heavier body weight does have certain advantages. For instance, in a straight line, extra weight can provide more traction, leading to better stability. However, every extra 10 kg of body weight may slow the kart down, causing a minor increase in lap times. Conversely, being lighter offers advantages too, such as potentially faster acceleration and less strain on the engine. Nevertheless, being lighter may lead to reduced traction, which might compromise stability in certain conditions. In professional racing, rules often stipulate limits on both kart and driver weight. These restrictions help to level the playing field, ensuring that the race outcome is more dependent on driver skill than body weight. Regardless of a driver's weight, their skills and experience often play a more pivotal role in determining their go-karting success. Whether you're lighter or heavier, knowing how to use your body weight to your advantage can make all the difference. For example, shifting your weight during a turn can help you navigate corners more smoothly, maintaining more speed. To sum up, while body weight does matter in go-karting, it's only one of many factors that can affect performance. Much more important is the driver's skill, understanding of weight management, and ability to maintain speed, especially through corners. So whether you're light as a feather or solid as a rock, remember, your driving talent holds the key to your go-karting success.